Sige, okay.
Okay.
Pati fittings, susulo mo.
Nice. Ito yung work.
Work.
Pati fittings.
Tapos yung
Lock.
pin. Backless.
Okay.
Carriage.
Okay.
Then yung mask.
Mask.
Then yung left chain.
Sige.
Carriage.
Yung lip cylinder.
Cylinder. Okay. Cylinder ano yan?
Belt cylinder.
Belt. Okay.
Ito yung mga hydraulic hose natin. Yan yung solid tire.
Okay.
Baka mapako.
Yeah.
Ito yung counterbalance natin.
Counterbalance.
Sa steering handle naman natin, axle.
Steering wheel.
Lever. Belt up, belt down. Then yung service brake. Accelerator. Ito naman, pagdating na sa
Makina.
sa machine, meron tayong air filter. Tapos yung radiator natin. Meron din tayo, ito yung makina niya. Lagayan ng langis. Tapos yung oil filter. Tapos yung oil filter. Oil filter. Ayan. Tapos yung dipstick. Yung sukatan ng langis at saka yung quality ng langis niya. Then this one is yung battery. Battery goods naman. Yung coolant, lagayan ng reserve ng coolant natin. Tapos ito is yung alternator.
Yan, tama.
Alternator natin. Ano na ba? Yan, may pump belt na. Pero yun lang available.
Ito pa.
Yan, ito yung part ng ROPS natin. Run over system o yung overhead guard.
Ito.
Yan, ito yung directional set natin. May seat belt.
Seat belt.
Importante seat belt. Ayun, may mga working lights tayo. Ito, brake light. Tapos yung hazard lights, meron yan. Tapos, importante, side mirror.
Side mirror.
Ito man, assist brake. Para sa operator natin. Ito yung working light, at stop light. Dapat lahat working bago mag-operate.
Ayun. Okay na, okay na.
Okay na.
Okay na.